Hey guys, welcome back to Bull Lover 238. Right now it is flurrying right now. So yeah. It is flurrying because it rained a little bit today. So yeah. Right now we're watching Muppet Babies. I don't really like Muppet Babies. I like Chicken Squad and Puppy Dog Pals. These are my two favorite Disney Junior shows. I still like Twilight and Bolt and everything, and Scrooge McDuck. And hey Pepper, you went outside? It is flurrying outside. Feels like a blizzard. All right, I'm going inside. It's not actually snowing like last time. It's flurries right now.
It's really heavy snow, honestly.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah. Still watching Muppet Babies. So yeah. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.